Yo, what's up guys? Coming at you today with a Ford Focus 2003 Crown Victoria. It is a 4.6 liter V6, and today it is something wrong with the pulley. We're going ahead and just replace the pulley and put back on the timing belt, because some reason when we turned the car on it was making like a little squealing noise. So now we are just gonna have to replace that, and yeah. Alright guys, so my granddad here, he doesn't really like cameras that much, so we blurred his face out. But he's going to help me pull out the old pulley, see what's wrong with it, and put in the new. In this next clip, you'll see the difference of why is it squealing.
Come on this side, you get a better view. So you gotta get the feel of it.
Yep. Alright, as you can see, I'm taking out the old one right now, and we can see what's wrong with it. Because for some reason it's making that weird noise. Alright, we finally got it out. So when I spin the pulley, you can hear the bearings are very, very loose in there. Listen to it.
Anyway, it's going down, man. Tell him.
It's getting harder to tell this speaker now.
Yeah.
I can say that.
See how it's going down? That's what they call multi-purpose lubricant. It's supposed to be just like WD-40. I'm gonna spray some in the back.
What you there for that, Brian?
Yeah, I'm trying to, but it won't spray out. It won't want to spray out. Trying to spray some in the back. Yeah, now spraying a little bit out. See it there?
No, I hear no.
Oh yeah, no.
Want me to rev
So
it?
that means we need some lubricant, you see? The other stuff ain't got lubricant in it. Match the gas a little bit. Match it in.
I hear it just a little bit.
I don't know what that knows. Hit it again. Hit it again. Let me check this water. You put it on with
My car don't save your life.
That's strictly for yeah. Just like I'll put this back in your car.
Nope, you kept it in there for other purpose.
Yeah, we'll put this back in what's called.
Alright guys, so basically that multi-purpose yellowish stuff he used worked, but it didn't work all the way. Luckily I had some lubricant in the back of my truck, so we just used that and it just cleared the whole noise away. And I'll let you guys hear it. Alright. Alright guys, so apparently we got the alright guys, so apparently we finally got the noise to stop. Guys, so apparently we got it fixed now. Finally got the noise to come through. We put a little bit of that fabric lubricant stuff. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.
Get ready to break.
Yeah.
The rubbers don't got real dry. That one right there.